So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to know something I do every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to bed? Yeah, I brush my teeth. Whoa! It's very important to keep your teeth nice and clean. And today, you and I are gonna draw a tube of toothpaste. All right, to do that, I'm gonna use green because it's gonna be mint toothpaste. All right, so I'm gonna draw a straight line down here, straight line right there, straight line up there, and watch this. I'm gonna kind of do an arched line right over there. And then I'm gonna continue that to make it an oval. And then I'll make another line like that, and then some vertical lines. Yeah, and that's how you screw off the top. And down here, we'll make that a very wide rectangle, and some vertical lines right there. Wow! And when you brush your teeth, you make your teeth nice and happy. So I'll draw a tooth right here. Whoa, very happy tooth. Thank you so much for brushing my teeth. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!